Kasoka jelam dak sengi ka pentri kam ya komision si hajar sengi man ajing bam taimet ya ki kelung bat ya ki long keme nadu bagi dang armet kani pukram kasoka kalong man pelat ya ki kelung ki kena na ka jing bumbiang bam na kadau jong ka jing duk ka jing kerdu ka thong kasoka kalong man petikna ya ka jing he jing san ki kelung ha ka bormet bat kumju ha ka bor jabing si benta jong kani ka pukram kasoka ka penbet pali ba ukpar udai ban leit ra ya ki khon si sen si Bnai sia ka jaka ai bam ha Aganwadi senta harisnong jongki ban pelong yang kini program ke job ke soka kini telang ru berkesinong bat kinong siong sinong ha kini kesengium terang ba open benaru ba mang si spa alpenyokur ha kini program ha bakran bat ki katuk kat ningut kirang ba sinong ki apen pau bat ya ke jingkermen ba kini program kanlong ke job soda ke pendeng umyong ba bonus imyong baru asisten nang ba sinong ke mayong rim ba ol ma penyang kiraong ba lembaga ni program ki kermen ba katong jong ke soka kalong ke bajob banyak Khun ya jing bumbiang bam ki kulung ki kena ba gilong kemi ba armen ha ka ju kapor ba ol mar banyang la ong ba gilong kemi menta kim ju ai Buiñ Shuh yang Khun nama bagi ai da bum mi dut bat bagi ong ru ba ka terkhong kamet bat kumni kumtai ha ka chi xiao la ong ba ha po an ru Bnai kilong kemi ki dei ban ai bet da ka Buiñ ya ki Khun khanang ba kin long ki ba ko ki ba khia
basic kit for mothers and for their babies.
But as the former questionnaire came out, one of the areas that I'm really concerned about is, which was already raised earlier, the role of fathers. The 1,000-day program appears to be biased towards females. We are not privileged with breastfeeding, but we represent half of the population. And if we are contributing to the growth of the child, my question is this, that how can we as fathers be equipped? A lot of things that has been presented is for the mothers, how important it is. And the emphasis that was given is on the mothers, on government agencies, on faith-based, on social organization. But one area that I really saw being there's an oversight was the role of fathers. What can fathers do? Is there some graph? Is there some chart? Is there some pamphlet that we can look and monitor whether it is on the mother, on the child, on the family? But at the same time, that as the chairperson has just said about him wanting to be involved in the child's growth, which I compliment you, sir. But for us, the rest of us fathers, that we can see the mother doing this, the child doing this, and as a provider, that we will be enthused to provide, to be a caregiver, to be given incentives. So my question is this, what can the government do to encourage fathers to be involved in the caregiving of the child and the mother? Thank you.
That was a really great question. And I think the answer is there in the question itself, that fathers need to participate. And again, if you remember during the presentation, I just made a very small comment saying that we will evolve. We are not here with a perfect solution to everything. We will learn, we will evolve, we will adapt. We would like to see that more and more stakeholders come in. I don't think this kind of a meeting with so many stakeholders and another 60-70 locations connected through internet, such a large scale discussion and large scale effort has ever been done, when it comes to especially child nutrition and health issue. And so that's the whole idea. So therefore we are not saying that we have got the perfect solution, and but we want to start, and that's why we are here. And therefore, as correctly mentioned, that there is a huge role that the fathers can also play, and definitely as we move along, that aspect is something that we would like that the involvement of the fathers also to be there. But as I said, we are starting off with the basic problem right now, the basic issue, which again is around stunting and malnutrition, and that's why we have figured out that it's the breastfeeding and the basic combination of the foods avoiding certain things which starts off the entire thing. So therefore, 60 to 70%, I would say, I'm not a technical person, but I'm just guessing, 60 to 70% of the problems can be resolved by just these basic steps that we just discussed. And then we will keep improving. And there's so many headmen I'm seeing out here, who have been there in so many of our meetings. Some of them must be wondering, why am I here? What is my role? Really, we are trying to figure out what your role is, to be very frank. But we know that you have a role. We know that you have something you can do. We want you to tell us also what you can do. And tomorrow you say that, can we as headmen have an awareness program every month where we call all the mothers, we have a thing, can you send experts to us and can you help us financially to have these small programs and meetings and awareness, and we can ask our women's group to have an awareness program within the locality or within that village, and can you give us some support fund to do that? Yes, we can, and we will do it. But I need that initiative to be done, and so that's the reason why we're connecting with all of you, because we just want to figure out how, and because we know that this can't be done just by, as correctly mentioned by Madam earlier, by just one Sampath or one officer, one Ronald, or it won't happen. It has to be the entire state and society to work along. So yes, there is a role. We are figuring it out. We are not yet there. Simple things which were earlier mentioned, even small interactions which the parents do, which the fathers do, play a very, very important role. Ronald has shared it, so I can also share. So I'm also, we're also blessed with this, with our son, who's about a year, now, month old. And, for me, it's just these interactions that I do with him that matter a lot. And, just playing with him for about 15-20 minutes, 30 minutes, even in my busy schedule, is something that I cherish. But I'm sure that's having a huge impact in how his brain is developing. So therefore, it's a natural connect, and it need not be even a scientific thing. It's just spending time and just interacting and being there, and at least he knows who I am, so that's a great thing. So he's looking for me, I can make out. So he takes my name. My name means he calls me obviously Papa. So at the age of 1, he's already he can identify me. He calls me, and that's what it is all about. So it's about giving time. It's about really interacting. So I'm not a scientific guy like the rest of the people on the stage, but just giving my experience as a father. That's what we do. So I think that's really what is important, and I'm sure we'll develop it as we go along. But I think the important part to note is that, as correctly mentioned, that fathers have a role to play. I think if that message itself can go, I think that would be a great message. So this is a great question, and as I said, the answer is in the question itself. The fathers have to do something. What it is, well, we have to figure it out. Let's move along. We'll see how it goes. It'll start with just giving time. I think that's my basic answer to it. But I'm sure the experts here, including Professor Sampath, will be able to come out with the actual processes and steps of how we could actually do that interaction. But I think Sampath will add more to it.
Menjadi saudara nang kita profesional pedang biang Mairang Eastern West Sales District. Te agbire begini ka program tersi so bakalong ka way na kajing kesutia batmai mo na kamta kumno bangin nang kumno bat penhe persan ni kikun ikti masumar na do ba dang kulung na do dang almet wakam tater tersi purba la ladap tersi don kajing kai rai kan ni kali komisyon bakar pang ba ai kai na kamta kumno ba ki long kemi jungi mo kinang ban penhek pesan ki kun ti ha kar kom ko dai na do bidang det kinang no ban ai ba man ai di bum tatar ka jingkai bom ta sing kalong ba kum do bin ai jingbam ko batei jingbam ko ba na ta ki kun na ta klung ni ban ai tu jingbam tang ki ban pen kemen persutuna dari bam tei bakta pen ban ya ka koi ka khia jong ki klung khna ba ka rab ban pedunai jing he jing san jing khna le ba ngi yo ki jingkai la ban ai ki jingbam keba biang mo hidot ki peleng ki bagum taterek jingbang go ti jor ki jab so ki pai berkoi ki balong ban ai ki vitamin ban ai bori ki lung nang begin he kan san wut ha ka kom ga badai ngai begini commission jong chief minister bom tang ngai bakan long saka ba job ba ajim toy nam ta no snong juga state hi berok wai Gir mai senang bagi layo itu jembatai yang seperti nu ban budin ban pelong kerja awareness kerja program ya ki long kami hapo senang potau kenang ba ini ya khamtam ngi senang kendong mo ni yo lang ya kai bagi brewa khamdon sigi jaka ba khamsor khamsa ki yo bat sigi nong kendong jingi dang buon bagi long kami bampat nang patip kunu ban sumar ya ledi ndu kopor badang armet hadu belakai kulung bukan tater nalor kataru ki nong kendong jingi ka ban ni ka jingduk jingkerdo mo Mario Khun nang sisi asni ka habal Leit ban Leit ta no katu kata ba ya ka jingko jingkhia jongki kami jongki long kami ten dang tak daw le singin haban hikai ki kami mo bala kumno ni don ide ban don kapor ban sumaril di nang ban la ban ai jus mar biang nam taki Khun ki jongki
je kajing wan ye simpenta
sibon kong meri pikli nga ka kajing tu ko san jong ni ka program ka si hajar sngi program bu chief minister la play pa ba am tak sngi hi matrai kajing mud jeliu jong chief minister kan kalong ban long the population ki pan pendri jo ka me khalia ki breu ki bakoj bakhya nado ka thamme jong kalong ye lo sem hadu ki na khi da san bakin he kisan ka long breu bang breu mar balai matrai kan ki chmu jong chief minister kalong balada kejelak kedon ki breu ki pasitom ki bapang ki bakoj bakhya krempet kabor met ki bantrei per bantrei nek betak jelaro hakisnem ki banangwan kinum la jelatu kan sa tat kan sa randen trai hakaliang ki trei cita hakaliang ka jing penmi ek jelaro dan ki population jungi la ki pai ba jungi long ki bak pang ki bistom ki betlot kabor gen kina penli ani tekunta kani kadai ketenrai bakang san jeng nek jing tuin kalong bakane commission siajas ni jong chief minister kalong ban thep jing mut perkhat jongi iwei pe iwei nadu kimi ki pa nadu ki pa e nadu ki e nadu ki konsamla bangi dei ban simkhia ye kalong ye kalong sem dei simkhia tang yi kalong bakha dei ya ka kamiru ka banarish ka nurture ya ki jingdon kam joki Khun kiti hadi te kine ki jinit jinat ke ba ban penlong ikan deka Meghalaya ke state ke badap ki break ba koj ba khia ki break ki ba smart ki ba sting ha ki koj khia ki ba kemen ji ha ki jingmut perkhat kadai ban sedang na ki pei na ki long ye ki Khun Bnai Buiñ ki Khun yo kai dia no yo jingmut no bakam mi dut ngam don gum dangat ter khong gambet ter khong sedem ndai yakini ke bro nakan ke mission chil dar sni gen try ni ki bam try kam ta ba ko strong ko taru nin hap simbenta dan pen priang ke khobor sa ki kimi ki pa ki don kam ban e ki Khun ki nado ki ta kha dakba ayaka kadut kimi ke ba belum kemadap ke sebo madap ke cingklan madap vitamin ke ba kumili asgau ni kadai tiar yada bakosan tam banungkong ni immunity system ni ko dengan kadai kementat ni te chief minister ula benrap lu ya kane ka jingtrei lang jemi ki si lang ba kinong matawen dai incentive buong ya ki sinong ya ki lo kinong punya sinong ki badon kti marjan bayajan makan di mission kiro ki keluar berkersian dia kata award Bnai si hajar si kawajar si lak tengka dia katu kalau ban pasiau ngi ken ban hidup ngi idon kebentar ke bakrau ban nyarap kan pensngawi kini kimi ikpa kini kiloye usem ya kecengdon kam ban pikiri Khun ya kecengdon kam ban besai ki Khun de ke ke jimbam nongkong abu ayu belai lemba ka metu kemi pa bat hangta pede ban pendap penbiang bat pede persan ko da ki jimbam ki batei ka met pom dikin ki jimbam ki baset ke bre ki busus de hospison linus marbana tingalong asistan ng baisna ko mau yong